What if I told you that in this picture, the empty space in the code isn't actually empty? That inside this file, in the blank spot, there are characters your eyes can't see. Characters that can break your program, hide commands, or even hide malicious code? In this video, I will talk about invisible Unicode characters. I will explain what they are and how they work. Let's get straight into it. So, what is Unicode? Unicode is like the secret dictionary of the digital world. It's a massive system that gives every letter, number, emoji, and symbol a unique code called a code point, so computers all over the world can agree on what text means. Without Unicode, text from one computer could not be correctly passed to another. It's what makes digital communication possible across every language and platform. But now let's answer the question, what is an invisible Unicode? They are code points that don't have a visible shape. When you type them, nothing seems to happen. Some are meant for legitimate purposes, like controlling how text flows from left to right, but others can be used in more devious ways. You can sneak them inside variable names in source code, making two variables look identical but actually be different. You can even hide comments inside a string or break a security check without anyone noticing, because visually it looks the same. Here are some examples of invisible Unicode characters. First, we have the spacing and joining characters. They control how text sticks together in languages like Arabic and Hindi. Then we have the bidirectional control characters. They manage left to right and right to left text ordering. And last are the confusables. Some letters look identical but come from different alphabets. And why does this all even matter? Because invisible characters blur the line between what you see and what's really there. Developers have already found cases where hackers use them to hide backdoors and confuse code reviewers. Even outside programming, invisible characters can cause chaos. They can mess with usernames, URLs, file names, or even text filters. How can you protect yourself? If you write code, use editors or compilers that highlight hidden characters. There are tools that can scan text and show where invisible code points appear. Invisible Unicode characters are a reminder that in computing, even nothing can mean something. Next time, when you open a file and see an empty space, remember that space might not be empty at all.